Hey guys and gals of YouTube, it's Robert from Tall Guys RC. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday the 20th of May, and we're going to go out and do some flying this morning with my rebuilt the WMParkflyers Highlander. Hey guys, do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now, and if you're a mobile user, click the little bell notification. That way you will know when I upload video content weekly. Hey, also guys, I just launched some new shirts in my Teespring store. You can see an example here. Check out my Teespring store if you want to support Tall Guys RC, and you can get some cool shirts, and they're reasonably priced and they're good quality, made here in America. So let's do some flying. This plane, guys, actually on low rates could be used as a trainer for those of you trying to get into EPP planes or just flying. As you can see here, with low rates and flying around about half throttle, plane is really docile. So if you're looking for a durable plane that you can kind of fly in a small place there, because you notice I'm do some tight little circles here. Whoa. This could be a good first plane, high wing, so it does float around a little bit more, but it'll fly inverted, as you've seen. It'll do a lot of cool things. So if you're looking for a good basic plane to get flying, nothing wrong with this plane. It'll do basically anything you want it to do. It'll fly fast, it'll fly slow. Goes together real simple. It's all EPP construction. All you're going to need is some basic building tools, X-Acto knife, some foam tack glue. It does require 4 servos, one for each aileron. Oops. One for the rudder, one for the elevator course, a 20 amp, I believe, speed control, brushless motor. I'm flying with a 947 prop, and kits are reasonably priced. I bought the unpainted version from Greg at WMParkflyers, but you can also buy a painted one that's red, white, and blue. Plane can be built in probably a weekend, Saturday and Sunday, or a couple nights. Goes together pretty simple. As I said, nothing really hard to do. Just glue a bunch of EPP together, make sure it's straight, and then take out and fly it. Set it up on dual rates, of course. I have high rates as 100% throw, and I'm flying around now at I think about 60% rates with about 20% expo, so I can fly around nice and docile. And I'm again using a 1300 milliamp pack, and this pack has been getting me about 9, almost 10 minutes of flight. So you could also go to a smaller pack, as I was saying, like an 800 milliamp pack, if you wanted to make the plane a little bit lighter, and you just lose a couple minutes flying time. But for 1300 milliamps, and I'm using the Venom pack, the Venom 1300 pack. These are great battery packs, reasonably priced. Plane flies amazing. So I will put a link in the description where you can see more information about this plane and other planes that he carries. So plain knife edges too. Nice. Look at this. But I love it because it slows down so slow. Look at this. Do a slow flyby here. But also endless vertical. Whoa, waterfall over. Okay guys, actually battery's running down now. It's getting sluggish, so time to land it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hey, do me a favor, if you have not subscribed, hit that little subscription button below, and for those of you on mobile devices, click the little bell notification so you will be notified when I upload content weekly. Whoa! And that's it, guys. So guys, check out Greg at WMParkflyers.com. This is the EPP Highlander. One of the planes he sells is made here in America. Get yourself one today. The WMParkflyers Highlander. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.